Alright guys, all done. So thanks for watching, and as you can tell, the longest time was spent, or a long time was spent prepping, just going over everything. I know from the past that the better a surface is prepped, the better the glue can adhere to, and whatever surface you're putting on top, whether it's paint or this adhesive. So I'm super happy with it. As you could see in the in the time lapse, I was pretty worried as I was getting those corners on. You can see here the seam is quite nice actually now that the middle piece is installed, but before that, guys, it was a bit worrying because the side pieces were coming out a bit, so I had to first stabilize them, put more pressure. I did a better job on the right side actually than the left side, but now that the middle piece is on, that really equalized everything, so that was really nice to see, and it sort of brought the two corners down. Alright, so I'm feeling really happy about it, and to be honest, I was quite concerned with the 3M tape and so on, but I do have experience with 3M tape from the dealership, and I know that if the surface is prepped well, if it's clean and then prepped well, just alcohol swab adhesive for mortars is really nice to have. If that's done and it's applied correctly in the right position with a little bit of pressure on it for a minute or so. I went overboard on that, but I also corrected it a little bit. But anyhow, I know that if that's done, then it lasts for years and years and years in snow and rain and whatnot. There's not really a reason for it to come off, as long as it's properly prepped, installed, and there's nothing abnormal in the wear and tear, any loads on it or anything like that. Anything abnormal, like, I don't know, something kind of another car hitting it, or something like kind of getting that the lip of it out somehow or something like that. But to be honest, I'm quite surprised with the final fit, just given how the initial fit went when I did that mock-up before. So yeah, very happy with it. And what I think I realized is that this is of course a stylistic choice, and I think one of the reasons that I like it, honestly, is just because I get to customize it and make it more of my own. Alright, thanks for watching, thanks for joining, see you in the next one.